So this was sent out to me by a company called Benks. Now Benks sent this product out for me to make a review on and give my entire honest review on if this product is a good one or not. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Now what I also want to add is this product is called the ArmorGo Qi2, which is the power bank, which is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now let's pull it open, and as you guys can see, this is the product itself. This is the magnetic wireless power bank from Benks. Now this is 10,000 milliamp hour battery, or 10,000 milliamp hours, and this thing looks nice already. Now once you open this package, you already can see their nice package. Let me just admire their packaging and just show you exactly what we're getting from what they are giving us. So you get a nice style box. It's pretty small, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this open. It has a little raised lip here, and then we have a tape. I'm gonna just go ahead and rip this tape off with my fingernails. Don't have a knife with me, but let's go in. So I think you just go ahead and slide this out, I believe. Could be wrong. I guess I'm wrong. Maybe I had to pull everything out. Yes. Yeah, there we go. Now we got it slided out. And there we have it. We have the power bank. Now the only thing that I wish it was a different color, but it feels pretty heavy. It feels really good. This is really heavy for this size. This is crazy. Now we do get a little paperwork here. I don't think we get anything else. Yeah, this insert can't be removed from it, so you're already expecting this is nothing else. So you do get the box, and then you get a little booklet. I'm wondering what the power is, the power output is. I'm not sure. So we can already see that we do get this is a 5 volt 2 amps, and this has a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours, which is a 36.5 watt hours. Now this is the model MP17, which is the ArmorGo Qi2 magnetic wireless charging power bank, which is model number MP17. We do have an output here, which is the Type-C port, which is an input of 5 volts and 3 amps, or 9 volts and 3 amps, and the output, which is 5 volts and 2 amps, and so on and so forth. So it doesn't give you a lot on power. And then we do have, let's go up to the camera and show you, it has a nice finish. We don't really have any other ports. We have the Type-C port here that charges the device, and I guess you can get power from this as well. And then we have the power button here. When you click it, you get the lights pop up on the front there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. There's 3 lights that pop up there. You can see the exact meter as where it is at. Now it has 2 other lights that are dimmed currently because the battery is at 3%. I guess it needs to be at 4 to be at full percent. And then let's just give this a try. So I have my iPhone here. This is the band case, if you guys are wondering. And then we're just gonna pop that on, and immediately this thing starts charging. The magnet is pretty strong, but the case is actually pretty strong too. So I wouldn't even know how strong both are. So let me remove the case itself so we can see how strong just the magnets on the charger itself. Let's get this out of the way. And really and truly, I won't be even using this cable. This is gonna just have an extra cable. This is just an extra cable I can use. Let's see if it will pop up and show you. There we go. So this is just an extra cable I got. I won't be even using this. This is gonna be just side quest cable. So what I'm gonna do now is just plop this on the back of the phone so we can see how strong this is. How can I show you guys this? Oh, it's pretty weak. I'm already seeing, like, literally I take it up, and the minute I shake it, I mean, no. I would say it's probably a 3. If I'm saying 10 is like super strong, this will be like 3. It's not that strong on there. So you couldn't leave this on there and knowingly say this will stay on there at all times. With my case though, the band case, which has like crazy good magnets, once installed, this won't go anywhere. This literally won't go anywhere. And then as you guys can see, once you're in use, see if we focus, you see a green line on the bottom there, which is pretty nice. So this is just a wireless charger that looks pretty nice. And I know I'll definitely have this as an amazing product that I'll be using in my day-to-day usage. But yeah, I'll be doing a follow-up video just to tell you guys what are my thoughts on this and how much this can charge the iPhone. But this is 10,000, and I think the iPhone 15 Pro Max charge, I think this has 5,000 milliamp hours, so it probably can charge this phone once and then a little bit more. So that is good enough when you're really in a pinch and you just need something to charge your phone. I would say this will come in handy a lot. So definitely pick this up. You won't regret it. And that's pretty much it. Well, I want to try one thing first before you guys go, which I want to go ahead and try to see if this will reverse wireless charge like my devices. So let me try that. So let's say I have my iPhone charging, or I don't want to put it on the wireless charger and I just want to plug it in. Yes, it does do output. So as you guys can see, it is charging. It just starts charging, which is a good thing. So if, let's say, I'm having this on the back of my phone and I need somebody else to top up. So let's see if it'll work. Yes, it does. It does keep, well, I don't even know. Let me put it in something else. Let's see, we even need this controller here. If I put it in a controller, does it charge? This doesn't tell me. Let's see if this will. So let's see if both will be charging at the same time. So no. So once you're wireless charging and you put something else to charge at the same time while this is charging, it won't. It will stop immediately. So as you guys can see, it starts charging again. But once you plug it into something else, the charger only can charge one thing at a time, which is a kind of a bummer. So you would definitely have to lend somebody this to have them use it without that, without having disconnected to your phone. So if you have another device that you want to charge at the same time, you can't. But that's okay. I'd say this is more than enough for any person who is trying to charge their phones. But that's it for today's unboxing and first impressions, and I'll give you my full verdict on this product. But I don't think I'll be having much else to say. This product is really simple and easy, and as I can say, the finish is amazing. This is like a gunmetal finish. Let's see if it'll focus. This has like this gunmetal finish. Like, it looks glossy. It has nice finishes on here. The writing has a little texture to it too as well. And then the back is not raised. It's like a checker design, but it's not. It's just flat, in my opinion. It looks like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's just regular checker design. So, but other from the design, I would say this is a really good product, and I'll definitely pick this up. Definitely pick this up. I was looking to get myself one, and I think I definitely lucked out on getting one sent to me, so I can make a review on this for them, for Benks. Benks, you made an amazing product, and the only thing I want to test out is how long this will charge my iPhone if I'm completely dead on the day. and I want to just top my phone up. How long will this top my phone up from 0? So, and then if I need more battery, can this do another charge? So that's the only thing I want to figure out. But stay tuned for the next video where we do a full follow-up on this and let you guys know exactly what I think of this product.